Assalamu alaikum scholars, you are listening to Ziaur Rahman. Today we have lecture number 51 and it's part 10. Today's lecture is about how to apply the correlational test and how to show the correlational table in thesis or your paper. So click on analyze, click on correlation, click on bivariate, and then put your variables in this section. Suppose if you are wishing to calculate the correlation of all these variables, so put them here, click on options, click on mean and standard deviation, click continue, and then click on Pearson and flag significant correlations, click OK. So this will show you the result. These are the descriptive statistics, the arithmetic mean, and then the standard deviation, and at the end you can see a correlational table. Simply you can copy this table and then you can paste this table in your worksheet, and these are the way. This is actually a two-way description. You need to delete the upper values from upper values, just like I am deleting these values. So these are a repetition of the values showing here. So delete all these values which are upper from 1. Here you can found 3 lines in the analysis. The first line is the beta value, and then the second line is the p value, which is significant, and then there are number of responses, and at the end you can mention some of the text about it, that how you can found the table and how you can calculate these values, what does it mean. So I am showing you one of my thesis and one of my published article. So this is one of my published article which was published in 2020. So page number 9 is relevant for the correlational analysis. Page number 9, look at here. So this is the way: reliability, validity and correlation. I have not given a table for the correlation in my paper, but I have used only the text to show the correlation between the variables. But I mention here that correlation between the variables was also checked through a bivariate analysis. The results of the correlation showed at that etc., and then I have showed the correlation value and the p values. So these are the variables and these are the results of the correlation and p values. So similarly, this is my published thesis. This is my thesis for MS, and how I have showed the values of p values. Page number 50. So this is a correlational table, a table for validity, reliability, mean, standard deviation and correlation, and you can see that all these values, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one and this one, are the values of correlation, and these are the values, these sterics means that these correlations are significant. The relationship between these variables at the beta value of 0.549 but the p value is significant. So how I narrate this table in my thesis? So you can stop the video here and type this text in your thesis or in your paper, that how to show, how to narrate and how to elaborate the table of correlation in your thesis. So you can type this text in your thesis and then you can remove the plagiarism. This is a way you can proceed for correlational test in your thesis. So this is all about today's lecture. Scholars, please subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed it. Please click on like button if you like our videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.